Model, 2016 VAUXHALL Vivaro L1 Diesel 2700 1.6CDTI 115PS H1 van. Non-runner. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 119544. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6115 PSE5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner, engine has seized, will need repairing or replacing. Worth getting the tool kit out to get this back on the road. First to see will take this off our hands. Open mouth smile. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features: aircon, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,625. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.